Hi guys, so I watched Thudarum first day, first show. I'm just on my way from the theater. And the reason I've never done a video like this when I'm driving back from the theater, but this movie definitely deserves this sort of a treatment, because previously when I watched Empuran, I had mentioned Empuran is the most worst rated movie I have ever seen, which was 6 out of 10. But I want to start by saying Thudarum is a redemption. Empuran kanda ക്ഷീണം Thudarum കണ്ടപ്പോൾ മാറിയെന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, ദൃശ്യം ഒരു മാസ് മൂവി പ്ലസ് ഇമോഷണൽ ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എന്നും കൂടെ തുടരും കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് മൈ റേറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ തുടരും ഇസ് 9 out of 10, which is the highest rating I've given for any movie. The reason is it celebrates Mohanlal, it celebrates good cinema. That is what this movie is. What Empuran kind of promised, and like how we all went as families, pre-booking business, the highest in Malayalam film industry, all those things. When I came back after that movie, I was so disappointed, and when I made a video, even my friends thought I was degrading the movie. It is not degrading. It is just because you have so much passion for a movie. Now, only talking about Thudarum is a full package. You can go with your family, you can go with your dad, mom, brother, sister, watch it. There is a lot of fun in the beginning. Towards the interval, the suspense element starts building up. It's all building up, okay? Like from the very beginning, the build-up is starting. But there's a lot of fun in the beginning. Towards the interval, the suspense element starts being introduced. Second half is a roller coaster ride, full of emotions, action sequences. There is nobody will be disappointed, basically. Like, if you like good cinema, if you like good, serious, massy, this is not just mass, this is class. This is what is class. That's why I said what Empuran promised us is what this movie is. Just putting a lot of coat and suit and wearing shades and walking in desert in like 45 degrees Celsius heat is not mass. This is mass. This is emotion. There is family drama, there is love, there is anger, there is resentment, there is every bloody thing you want out of this movie. Like, honestly, this is the best Malayalam mass family movie can be. Like I said, this competes with Drishyam. This doesn't even compete with Empuran. I'm sorry I vented about Empuran again in Thudurum's video, but this movie is something that has to be compared to Drishyam. And one lesson I learned the hard way by falling for Empuran's marketing and now having watched Thudarum is that you can always determine if a movie is not great if the producer, the director, and the actors are putting a lot of effort into marketing that movie. Because they want to create a hype before the movie is even released, because they are not very sure the content of the movie is going to drive it forward, right? Please sit and watch till the end credit scene. Here for Thudarum, you don't have, nobody has to tell you to sit and watch the credit scene. There is stuff you will only come out of the theater once the credits roll off, the lights come on, and the screen has gone white. Then only you will get up from your seats, because that is how gripping the movie is. You don't need any sort of false marketing and coming and telling, oh, this movie made so much money, broke all box office records in 30 days, and the movie itself has only played 25 days in the theater.